Hey, how's it going? My game right now is called the Air Traffic Control game. I am taking on the challenge that's called No Delayed Air Traffic Management. Quickly, my name is Saman, and I'm a developer and a gamer as well, and that's why this challenge really hit the sweet spot for me, because I love doing both. Just a little bit about the game. It's basically a simulation game, so I'm envisioning it as sort of like a SimCity for airport, hopefully with less disasters at launch. You start off with an airport. You select an airport, and basically you have a list of planes, and you have a bunch of flights that you need to take to their destination. If you deliver them successfully, you score points, and then you can redeem points for upgrades. Players, while you're doing that, you need to be aware of things like weather, airport destination, capacity, stuff like that, so every real-world factor. The game is going to be starting with maps of the Earth, and then later on you can add maps for other planets and even custom maps for custom locations. It's hopefully it's going to start off with single player, but hopefully later on there's going to be multiplayer capabilities. Just to give you a quick demo of how far I've gone, since I was the only member on the team, I could only take this so far. So this is where we are. You get to choose your airport, but right now it's hard coded. If you can see all that, okay. Just full screen. Okay, so you get to start off with the airport, and you have a bunch of planes available. You have a bunch of flights, and then you can basically see your map. At the bottom, if you can see, there's a plane there. They're all stacked on top of each other, but let's say if I wanted to choose plane 04 and deliver it to JFK, I just say choose, and then it basically, the simulation hopefully will be nicer later on. It animates and factors in the duration, whatever it is, and then basically multiplies it by whatever factor, and then do the simulation. So yeah, if you wanted to choose, let's say Montreal, we do that. So far, this is what I have, and there's going to be factors like Montreal only has space for 10 planes, for example. But right now, if I were to send like an 11th plane, it won't really check for that. But anyway, so this is what the game is so far, and the basic idea. So, one sec. So who can this game appeal to? Ooh. Okay, gamers really who are into simulation strategy genre. Not only them, but air traffic schools. Could be a teaching tool, and also data that I use in the game is I tried to make it really, really accessible. It's an XML format. I wasn't able to find a lot of data. At least that wasn't free. And users can update the data if they wanted at airports, stuff like that. And you can also add user-generated maps. The tech is very simple so far. It's HTML, JavaScript. And if you have any other questions, you can come ask me, and it's on GitHub, and that's it.